bad to bad, don't stress me. Bad to bad. Instagram black right up everything me I post. Try again. Nothing now go through. Backside. Remember, I can't do that. You're not too terrible, man. You know, so some people tell me I'm not for sure and not more for wait till my photo shoot for December. I want to. Should I wait till my photo shoot for December, then I show you guys, or what? So I'm gonna take in a bikini doll. I'm taking a bikini December. When I wait till December then? People are bitch of a picture me show them. Them know by ya. One traffic the car barely moving. Peace. Some people have waited till December. I want to say, people, at December, I'm not going to really see the body, you know, because December, the body heal and everything is set right. You get what I say? December. I choose Shaki. Some people say for no post, some people say for post. I want to say, who want to post, say yes. Who said no post with? Say no, and let we see. We'll see what I go on. So if I want to post now, say yes. If not, say no. I'm gonna count how much people say yes and how much people say no. Alright, wait, no. Get 2. Post too much, get 3. Watch your fast people, them yes them. That was a no. Hey. Alright. So it's the other people that know me, you know, say no, you know. The people that know I'm good, say no. See them, a friend, them, I say no.
Ahora, pero se supone que tú debes estar en completo reposo, o sea, teniendo vendas,
Touch them.
Empezando pueden hacer daño.
December, guess what, no people? Cause guess what, no. The reason I'm saying I just drop it from now, because guess what? Remember, say when I go home, I'm gonna go straight back to work. And when I go to work, people are gonna see me at work. People are going to come up at the place, come buy cream. Because remember, say people come buy cream every day. People are going to come for loom. So people are going to eventually see it. So me did want drop the bomb before them come. Because before me I do loom, I'm going to go outside and me I take the name them and the order them and everything. And me I do Chromazz and me I take the order them and everything. And then somebody just take my picture and post it before me. You have to think about that. Have to think about that. So, why am I not for work? I have to go work. I have to go to work. So, I mean, for pay people just to hide my body that they're mad, they know me love money, so. We want big go to work every day so them can see your body are true. So I'm going to look tacky till December. And I think, man, might go to the mall and drop it. And then just drop the nuclear bomb December and the swimsuit and the bikini and everything. But I know the normally see bikini and swimsuit. So when girl come in a swimsuit now, okay, you know, so I'm going to start wear some little piece of thread. Like I want a little piece of string for cover here, so I want a little piece of string for cover here, so I want shoes less to cover down there, so. You see it? And I come home, I want to go out. I'm going to go out the same way. We're a pasta code. Here there. November. Ay, ay, ay.
What?
Do it so. The bottom hurt me. One thing though, the body had the pan fire, never come up on fire yet. And my body no, in a 3 months time, my body no big. So I can't manage it, I'm murder. Too much pain for the body, man. Dad, make up your mind, can you say no, I say I wait for see. Can I get that quickly? So, if you don't want to see it, when I go to the mall, it's 2 hours from now. Because the traffic is so terrible. So 2 hours from now when I go up on the mall. Or December. But can't just go see a picture of that look dress there, you know. Just go see a picture of that dress there, see? Simple. But a nuclear bomb with the ear and everything and makeup flicky photo shoot walking on the beach, chilling on the sun, running against the river. That's a nuclear bomb for December. You get me? And then we might have a 9/11 now, February 11 for my birthday. You get what me I say? Hey little bro, why you call up name? That's what I say. Like the man claim to say about the big, but when I see big, yet my love more I see it bigger. When I heal good mama, but not even 2 weeks dead. Backside. Oh, come on for the basilica. Yeah, kill me. And I'm going to figure up. But that's like a go on front picture, not side picture, not back picture, nothing. Just look a glimpse on me. Because I don't want nobody drop my bomb before me. You get me? No, I'm not in a pain. I just the body about my man. The body. I'm alone in a place bad for my body. Body about me, the body that never stop about me. Man say put most of the fat in the say, any my body no big. After I mean 3 months go my body no big man, a murder. But me a ball for. I don't feel no pain, guys. All the pain I feel on my body, I say it alone. I mean because it alone, so I'm good enough to realize that I feel a lot of pain. I mean one bar on my body. Yeah, Empress are true. All the time I get them views, yeah. And one time, me know me go rub out somebody, them know say I did that person they did. I have a butt pillow on it right now. The body the way there and all the body the I want it, you know. But me I say for so much pain for the body way. All night me granite I forget up and stand up and put them because the body me I tell us the body come like say it now a friend and I know it's a fret and after fret the body, you know. So the body trouble me. Says if this no one nobody else not talk about them body to them body are them. Says if this no for this a body about me so it's supposed to big and round. I'm say big and round come like them happy birthday balloon there. Me and some man paparazzi them I go come out and people them I go come for the shop just to see my body. I don't want them drop the bomb before me. So I go drop piece for the bomb. Oh. And then the way I'm enough, I know I go want to go be a dance. I go want to go everywhere. Catch up change for playing tickets. I was supposed to come back yesterday. I know if I come back yesterday, I'm going to go dance, chilling on the farm, lost, all different type of party where I keep.
Nikki.
Yes?
The massage. He's asking. He's asking if you want to have a massage at the house. No? No, you know. Not today. No. Yo no se lo va a dar.
¿Ah?
No se lo va a dar en la casa.
People, but not life, I true. I don't mind if I got ease up after the body and all stuff. I'm not care. The body. I'm not giving no time to sit down on it. Yo, if a man ever slap me on my body or a man ever feel like him can pump me on my ass. Leonardo, the body, Leo. Body kill me. Body kill me. And show me ear take pill now. Come and take painkiller. Low me, it not hurt me, you know. But them big. Oh. Any day, any day, I wake up on a body and stop at me. Is that day when I just go to. I go church the same day, straight. From Monday go straight back. Me I go to church. Praise him, thank him, everything. And just be good for that day. Walk and give away. Do it. Walk 100 to everybody where homeless on the road. And help everybody. Any day that body I give up on me. Me I tell him I gotta be a better person in life. Cause me I tell him. The body I give me no. But then why? Them planning for man. Man tell us if the body not big enough, I can't lay them on the stomach because I got the boobs done. You want me press out the whole of my boobs? I'm gonna breast them big boob, I have to go get a reduction soon. Couldn't, can I help you, girl? I need to come and come get my ear done. Can I help you? What is the problem? Nah, laugh. And I mean one top of body problem. No one. I don't know why. No time I want to lay them on my side, but if I lay them on my side, I gotta press out the hips. So I don't want to eat them gone in, I want to eat them out. I'm gonna lay them on my belly to make the breast them squeeze out. So I just have to just sit down on the body, I'm just have to lay them on the body. So one day, every day I pray that I wake up and it just stop hurt me. So one day when it stop hurt me, I'm going to be a better person. I know you're in Jamaica, miss. Are we for there? Are we for there? You want to come to Jamaica? People may be a better person for trouble. Stop get trouble. I'm done with trouble. I'm done with trouble. Give me look like Leo. When I dark. I say everybody are laughing, you know. All I know laugh, but it's alright. My body's supposed to walk and lick down people to all my body about me right now. But so just walk and people just say, body, I'm not see that yet. I'm not see that yet, you know. People, one thing with doing this, when you do it, I might say, you know, see, your results are, you know, you nothing not going on, this and ever when you wanted, it want more curve out and them something there. But you know, see it one time, because the first time me do it, you know, hear me, I'm still a box. More so, I'm a fridge. I'm still a box. I don't know what the man did. If I'm going to get my forehead now, I'm going to put it on. At 3 days time, I see myself look up bits and eat them start get big. Wait, I get like a fine, I mean, I say. Alright, it can go on. Alright, can go on. When I put on that tight one, you know, I have to sit down up straight. Oh, God. When girls see body, girls say, This is everything. Everything. Right now, every time people ask me for photo shoot, I used to run them. Because first thing first, kill them dead, my shape like my shape on my Instagram, you know. So them combo, give me a photo shoot. That's a sir. First thing first, you don't have to use Photoshop to the tail and shape out what I not even have. Yeah, that's the first thing. You see all the thing we real on Instagram are the face. So don't make anything else tricky. And them ever come tell me about them want me come and be a video shoot. I want to wear drawers and lingerie. Lingerie upon my body would have come like when you know, like when you decorate.